So, before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you will have more of those videos. There is much to be mindful of this holiday season. New way of gathering with our loved one, small businesses closures, and increased stress are just a few of the things that might be different for us this year. When it comes to holiday gift giving, we might feel a little bit overwhelmed. How should we get our gifts to loved one if we're not meeting in person? What can we offer that is thoughtful and nourishing during these times? What if we are dealing with financial stress? In this video, we will explore mindful gift giving from a variety of angles, including what mindful gift might look like and a broad selection of mindful holiday gift ideas. We will cover a mindful approach to gift, different ways to give, how to give mindfully step by step, and finally 10 mindful gift ideas. First, let's clarify what we mean by mindful gift giving. Does it mean shopping locally? Does it mean spending less or perhaps spending more out of generosity? Is it something just for meditator? What does a mindful gift look like? Taking a mindful approach to gift giving is less about the gift themselves and more about the energy behind them. It is about bringing thoughts and care to what we are giving to the person we are giving to and to the act of giving itself. When it comes to holiday gifting, this might look like shopping locally, or it could mean gifting a virtual service. It could look like gifting generously financially, or it could mean offering our love, attentiveness, or service. Furthermore, mindful gift giving is not just for meditator. Rather, mindfulness is a quality that we bring to our gift giving, regardless of the interests and needs of the person we are offering something to. Mindfulness brought to gift giving can include mindfulness of the needs and interests of the receivers, our intention for offering a gift, the impact of the gift on the environment or the community, any expectations, beliefs, or emotions associated with the giving, any limitation we face, such as finances or logistics for delivery. When considering what to give to our loved one this year, it is important to remember there are many ways to give. We often assume that the best gifts are the ones we purchase. However, if we have ever received something intangible or homemade that was gifted from the heart, we know this assumption is not true. In fact, results of one study revealed that experiential gifts boost the strength of relationship significantly more than material gifts. Aside from purchasing a gift, you might consider the following mindful gift ideas. Offering a services. First, you can offer services. Are you great at giving massage? Would you love to babysit? Are you a chef? Can you offer an old friend some much needed quality time? One alternative to purchasing a product is to offer a service. Get creative with this, perhaps making a homemade gift certificate for use at a later date. You can also offer yourself in service to your community by volunteering where your hands, heart, and skills are needed the most. 2. You can exchanging quality time. Instead of exchanging either products or services, you might decide to share quality time with those you love. This year, quality time might look a bit different than it usually does. If you can't meet in person, consider setting a shared virtual dinner. Additionally, you might share quality time by taking a long hike with loved one or holding space for any difficulties this year has brought. Whether in the kitchen, in the studio, or in the workshop, you might decide to get creative this year to handcraft a gift. Think homemade granola, salt bars, your best recipes, or a heartfelt photo album. If you're not able to meet in person this year, you could send a receipt book to the receiver or a handwritten DIY guide in the mail. But now, how to give mindfully step by step. If you would like to give something this holiday season, whether to someone you love or to a stranger in need, there are a few steps you can take to root this offering in the heart. 1. Consider the receiver. Hold your intended receiver in mind and heart. Whether this person is a relative or someone you would like to help out in your community, imagine what this person will most value right now. Often, we give gifts that we ourselves would like to receive or that we assume they would like as well. Take your time to really consider what will be meaningful for this person right now. 2. Notice if you hold any expectations. The holidays come with all sorts of expectations. Notice if any are present for you in regards to gift giving. Do you feel that you have to spend a certain amount of money? Do you have preconceived notion of what a gift needs to look like? Bring mindful awareness to your thoughts and ideas about giving gifts during these holidays. 3. Set an intention. You might also set an intention for the gift you will give. An intention can help to root yourself in the heart, opening up possibilities for previously unthought of mindful gift ideas. Your intention might be something like, I will give generously from the heart this year. The gift I give this holiday season will nourish and inspire. I will offer gifts that are loving and respectful of human in the environment. I will offer myself in service this year. Number 4, consider the impact. Furthermore, mindfulness can also extend to care and consideration for the impact that our gift will have on the planet or community. For instance, you might consider the impact of purchasing a gift from a small business versus a large one. Additionally, you might bring the environment to your attention. What impact does a particular gift have on local or international ecosystems? 5. When in doubt, keep it simple. Above all, if you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed by the idea of holiday gifting, come back to simplicity. You might even discuss with friends and family the possibility of not gifting anything tangible this year. Instead, you might simply share love, presence, and joy. Traditional gifts are not mandatory. And now, here we are, 10 mindful gift ideas. From mindfulness gifts, those that actually inspire mindfulness, to gifts purchased with thoughtfulness and art, here is a list of 10 mindful holiday gift ideas. Number 1, an activity that you can do together. This could look like a planned hike, an art class, or a mindfulness meditation session. 2, a homemade kid-style coupon book. Get creative by making a homemade gift certification or coupon book for different services you can offer. 3. A mindful subscription. Consider mindfulness gift like a subscription to a meditation application, a mindful magazine, or a yoga studio. 4. Time spent volunteering. Either alone or with a loved one, consider gifting to others in your community this year. 5. An online course or service of the receiver's interest. Think about what sorts of online courses or programs your loved one might enjoy, such as virtual workshop or a mindfulness toolkit. Number 6, a house or garden plant. Offer some plant life to your friend's home or garden either by purchasing a plant or taking a cutting from one of your own. Something previously loved. Find a pre-loved item and offer it at second home. This could be from a second-hand shop or from your own bookshelf. Something previously loved. Find a pre-loved item and offer it a donation in their name. Offer financial contribution to an organization that is near and dear to the receiver's heart. Put the donation in their name. And finally, your presence, love, and care. When in doubt, come back to what is within you. Offer love, compassion, and attentiveness that is free and abundant in each of us. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you want more of those videos, subscribe to the channel so you never miss any new videos.